Audiobook Hacker Chapter 12, Make a Little Money. The weather remained fine on September 13. Just after 9 o'clock in the morning, Sheila got up from the bed and looked at the wallet. There were only more than 100 pieces left. Sheila decided to make some money. Although Sheila's hacking capabilities have reached the pinnacle of the world, but Sheila does not use hacking capabilities to make money. At least not make a small profit. First of all, it is not impossible to make money using hacking capabilities. On the contrary, money will be fast. But if there is no good hardware support, even if the hacking technology is more sophisticated, it will be easy to find. The use of personal computers to trap supercomputers is an illusion. Even if the computing power of other supercomputers is unattended, and you want to use personal computers to break them, it is like a dream. Unless you have a critical loophole. Therefore, without good hardware support, Sheila didn't want to be in the network everywhere. At most sneaky little moves. Black personal computer, company server, that's okay. If you want to attack government departments, intelligence agencies, high-tech companies, top university servers, then save it. After washing, Sheila took a USB flash drive and took a bus to Shiqiao District. Shiqiao District is the largest computer and related industry center in Shuangqing City. The three largest computer cities in Shuangqing are all located in Shiqiao District. Sheila is going to the computer city of Shiqiao District to see if there are any part-time technical work. In terms of technology, Sheila is more inclined to intrusion, destruction, wireless networks, as well as image technology, and data recovery. Sheila is also better at it. This time, Sheila was ready to find relevant business. The largest computer market in Shiqiao District is called Bainao Commercial Building. Sheila was outside Bainao Commercial Building, and took a random look at the recruitment notices posted. None of them were satisfied. Entering Bainao Commercial Building, Sheila went straight to the third floor. The third floor is a maintenance section. The first and second floors are stores for various electronic products. Above the fourth floor, there are various professional types of companies, such as animation, advertising, design, data support, company server architecture, and so on. There are actually more people on the third floor than on the first and second floors. Many people hurriedly hugged a host and looked for a repair shop that was familiar to them for repairs. Sheila wandered casually, but found nothing. Sheila has no extravagant hopes, so he can easily discover business. In 2006, the popularity of computers was not high. Generally, when a computer is damaged, it will basically be sent to a designated maintenance location. Sheila went to a repair shop called Dingsheng Electronics and greeted a young man. "Brother Feng, long time no see?" This young man is called Sun Feng, the little boss of Dingsheng Electronic Repair Shop. This shop was opened for him by his family. Sheila relied on strong technology to earn some extra cash here. Sun Feng also enjoyed Sheila making extra money. After all, Sheila helped him and solved many problems. "Oh, Stone, it's been a long time?" Sheila grunted. "Feng, good business?" Sun Feng's face blossomed. He took out a pack of nephrite Greek, pulled one out by himself, and threw the whole pack to Sheila. "Stone, stop talking nonsense, come and help me look at these two computers." Sheila does not smoke, but still puts half of the pack of Yuxi in his pocket. "Brother Feng, what business do you want to take care of?" Sun Feng took Sheila and went into the maintenance room. Two brand new mainframes are placed on the maintenance station. The chassis of the host computer looks very tough. Just from the chassis, you can see that these two computers are definitely not cheap. Sheila asked casually, "Brother Feng, what's wrong with these two computers?" "It's a big deal to reinstall the system, wouldn't it be great?" Sun Feng shook his head. "Can't reinstall? Can't start at all? Just after turning on the machine, it will cycle indefinitely." Sheila personally pulled a monitor, connected the monitor and a host, connected various lines, and pressed the start button. Drop buzz a slight fan sounds. If you don't listen carefully, you won't hear it at all. Obviously a high-end silent fan. On the monitor, just display the self-test, and then restart. After that, during the self-test phase, there is an unlimited restart. Shilay pursed his lips, unplugged the power cord, and the host immediately lost power. After opening the main box, Shilay was startled. I originally thought that these two computers were relatively advanced, but I did not expect that they would be so advanced. Computer performance in 2006 is far less powerful than before rebirth. In this computer, Asus M2N32S Li Deluxe is used, which is the top motherboard of Asus in 2006. The graphics card is composed of two GeForce 7900 GX2, which is also the most powerful graphics card in 2006. However, the CPU is the best. Known as the Invincible U Emperor of AMD Athlon 64 and FX 62 processors in 2006. Just this CPU, the price is as high as more than 9,000 yuan. The entire computer, according to Shilay's estimation, is probably between 16 and 18. Brother Feng, which second-generation computer is this? So powerful? Sun Feng smiled bitterly. I don't know, but they drove the Mercedes-Benz S600 and sent these two computers, and said that as long as they are repaired, everything is easy to say. Shilay smiled. Brother Feng, how much maintenance do you give me? Sun Feng pretended to be crying. Stone, Brother Feng will give you a hand. Each computer is going to charge 1,000 repairs. How about half of us? Shilay snapped his fingers. No problem. These two computers are not a big problem. It's just that the BIOS information has been tampered with, that is, the information in the hardware has been changed by a malicious virus, causing the self-test to fail, and thus restarting in an infinite loop. Such a problem, to Shilay, is like a small cabbage on the road, stepping on a large piece of foot. It's just as difficult for people who don't understand. Brother Feng, borrow your printer? Sun Feng didn't know why. These two computers need a printer to fix them. Shilay looked at him silently. Sun Feng had to raise his hand to surrender. Although he opened a computer repair shop, Sun Feng's own technology was not good. He was just a human being, and he got a group of people who knew the technology. This made the situation flourish. Shua tilde. The inkjet printer printed back and forth line by line. After a while, Shilay handed the printed A4 white paper to Sun Feng. On A4 blank paper, a small advertisement was written. Professional level data recovery? Professional image processing? Just 2 lines of words revealed a very arrogant tone. Sun Feng looked at Shilay in amazement. Stone, do you still have this? Shilay nodded with a smile. Yes. Brother Feng, is there a business introduction? It is stated in advance that it is more expensive to do professional business only. Brother Feng, it doesn't matter if you put this ad at your door? Sun Feng nodded and didn't care. Zhao, hurry up and stick the stones. Zhao is a new maintenance apprentice in Dingxing Electronics. All such miscellaneous things belong to him. Okay, boss. Stone, get on with those 2 computers. Fortunately, you are here today, otherwise I will call you. Sun Feng looked anxious. Shilay took out the U-disk he brought, inserted it into a normal computer, and then said to Sun Feng, Brother Feng, borrow a U-disk? Here you. Sun Feng grabbed a black U-disk and handed it to Shilay. Shilay called up a piece of software from his USB flash drive, and then started writing code to prepare to restore the modified BIOS information. Within half an hour, Shilay pulled out his U-disk and inserted Sun Feng's U-disk. Then directly modify the U-disk to HDD mode, which is analog hard disk mode. Shilay took Sun Feng's USB flash drive, plugged it into a powerful computer that needed repair, and then chose to start again. This time, the computer did not restart during the self-test. Instead, It was directly loaded into the USB flash drive. In the display, a large section of English code is continuously executed. Not long after, the screen jumped into the normal XP startup interface. Shilei concocted another computer, and then returned the U-disk to Sun Feng. He himself operated a computer that was called the Emperor and felt the performance. However, such performance still disappoints him. Although it is a machine Emperor, compared with the computer in 2012, the gap is too far away. Bored, Shilei called out Minesweeping, adjusted to advanced difficulty, playing wildly. Sun Feng holding a USB flash drive, such a treasure? Stone, if there are similar problems in the future, can this U-disk be solved? Shilei did not return his head, looked at the computer screen intently, and moved the mouse to clear the mine. Brother Feng, I advise you not to mess around. That U-disk can only deal with these two computers. The other computers not only can't be repaired, but they have problems. Sun Feng immediately put down the U-disk, depressed. I know, you guys, how can you be disadvantaged? Shilei laughed a few times. Sun Feng took out the key and counted $100 red bills from the cash register, and then placed them on the repair stand in front of Shilei. Stone, this is the repair fee? You guy, it's so dark? In less than half an hour, I made 1,000 yuan. Shilei countered, Brother Feng, I'm still paying for my labor anyway, just stand and chat, don't you earn 1,000 yuan? Speaking, Brother Feng, you're only dark? Sun Feng lost? Stone, can you be a little bit prosperous and play Minesweeping? Shilei smiled, Brother Feng, it seems you don't play Minesweeping, right? Will I teach you? Rest assured, teach for free, no money. Sun Feng lost again? While Sun Feng was preparing to provoke again, a middle-aged voice came. You guys, provide professional level data recovery and image processing?